up, Fast Life family? It's your boy Fast Life Prince. I'm back here again with another YouTube video. And in this video, clearly see by the title and the thumbnail, we're heading out to the car show, Clean Culture. This is the first car show that the machine is going to be in. Oh God! On the can, press the gas. But yeah, it's the first car show that the machine is going to be in. I'm going kind of early because I'm trying to get like indoor parking, but I don't know. We'll see if I can get indoor parking. I'd rather get indoor parking because, you know, being outdoor, it's hot. And I always wanted to get indoor parking. But yeah, so I'm on my way there right now. It's 11:17. Car show rolling time is really at 12, but I think I'm like a cool 30 minutes away. So I should get there by like 11:40 something. So next day is gonna be the M-Tech dyno day, and I'm still thinking if I want to put the machine on a dyno. I'm pretty sure I am. I think I am. So stay tuned for that video too, because the machine will most likely be going on the dyno. And we'll see how much it make just being on 93 Supra. That boy did some pops. Hold on. Answer back machine. Shit. Like, you see what I mean? Like, my pops sound kind of like they're further away from the car. It's because of those exhaust tips. Because like when I had no tips on, them things were like sounded like they're underneath the car, which it really was. My shit. I got so much cars in front of me right now. It's not even funny. Alright, Fast Life family, I made it here, but I'm trying to find the gate right now. Oh, man, I see a gate 8, gate 10, gate 12. Can't I see gate 4? Gate 4, man, look for gate 4 there. Bro. No, like seriously. Why didn't it just make like a whole map on where the gate is at? Because I thought it was that one gate that I always pull into when I had the Q. I would always pull into that side, that one on the side, but that was gate 8 and nobody was there. So I'm trying to find gate 4 right now. I don't know where gate 4 is, but look, we here at the event. And there's intro cars. Find this machine, a drift machine. This in the boom butt. Yo, look at that boom butt. Yo, look at that boom butt. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yo, I'm not trying to go inside of that mud. Go over here. I think car stuff is over there. I can turn on this so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, male space. Alright. Man, I got spare wheels too. Machines, drift machines. Bro, I wonder if I could go into one of the drift cars, be like a passenger while they go around the track. That'll be fun. What the? I can clean for me one too. Where that Supra? Machines. You guys see it, Fast Life family, and we met up with the boy.
Yo.
Yes, sir. So he actually got show parking too, even though he paid for regular general admission.
I got that 12 p.m. admission. What?
That's crazy.
Yo,
watch they charge you at the end.
No, yo, that would be crazy.
That would be
like,
funny.
yo, you weren't supposed to park in here, and we need that fee.
Yo, that would be funny. But yeah, so look at the machine. Got the custom license plate on. You guys see the exhaust tips, diffuser. We also got side skirts on. Machine looking good. Look at that. Got some whole lot of other cars out here. So we outside. So time to walk around before it gets too crazy. Yeah, I got a lot more cars pulling in though. A lot more cars. Q60's clean. Yes, sir. So let's walk around and see what they got so far. Yeah, it's the machine.
Was the Q? No, you didn't. Oh my God.
Yeah.
What you think of it? Loud as fuck.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's pretty loud, pretty loud.
Nah, I know pretty loud.
Yeah.
And you just put this on, right?
Yup, just put that on. You see the plate? You see the license plate? Didn't even beat the license plate. Machine. Bro, let's go see the queue, bro, because we haven't seen the queue in so long. I haven't had the queue on the channel in so long, bro. Last time it was white.
It was white. I didn't have
You just had downpipes. That's it.
Downpipes in it.
But now let's look at it.
You seen my girls?
Yeah, and this is his girl's Q60, and then that's his Q50. Damn.
Did you see the hood I put on it?
No, I didn't see the hood yet. Hold on. Man, this is just clean, bro. Damn. Oh yeah, I wanted that hood too. What? Fast Side family, you see this? No, that's hard. Got custom headlights, all that. This is girls. It's a nice ass color. I like this color too. Damn. Oh, you did your thing with this, man.
Bro, I appreciate you. Man.
You did your thing with this.
This dude right here, he just molded his wing.
He molded the
He
wing
molded his wing.
and wrapped over it.
He wrapped it over.
Damn. That's crazy. Hey, we got some cars out here. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Look at this. This is different. I like this.
I have it on my car too. That's what's up. Yes, sir.
I like this. This is different. What? No, that's crazy. That's crazy. This one. Machine them. Supra. Yo, look at this. No, this is too clean. This is too clean. And the Supra. I need me a custom steering wheel. You seen this M4 before? Oh, this is the M340 you was talking about. Oh, this is different. What in the yo? Hey man, looks like I got a lot of work to do. Like I said, the machine is far from done though, so got a lot of work to do. Crazy. Bro, look at this. This M4 is clean. Oh my bad. This M4 is clean. There we go. Yeah, look at this. Got the front mount intake too. I want to do my active grill delete soon. Oh yeah, clean culture. What? Hey, you think I can go? You think I can go inside the car around the track? I don't know. I don't make the rules, maybe. Oh, maybe? Okay. If they let me. Oh yeah. All right. We outside. Oh, snap, bro. This thing loud. Hey, man. If I get to be in one of them drift cars, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be real fun. That yours. It's a whole lineup. Look at that. Oh, hold on, they're back on up right here. That escalate's hard.
What's that? Nah, this is crazy.
That's the whole lineup right there, man. That Rolls Royce Cullinan.
What?
Matching the years.
Yo, you know what's crazy? I seen that Rolls Royce on IG
Fast Life family, look at this M4. This thing.
Yeah, tanks back here.
What?
My buttons down here. And then check out the front of the hood.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go to the front.
Shit. Yo. Yo. That thing sprayed right in your head, bro. Yo, man, I got nitrous in the M4. Nah, that's hard. That's hard.
Yeah, I'm clean culture M4.
Okay.
I'm the Northwest Florida co-lead chapter. So don't tap in. Enjoy the show. Feel me?
Yeah, yeah. Machines. Okay. Damn, that's one hard. Night hot. And they got another one coming in too. How come I can't? Hey, I need to get my M340 in. Nah, we gotta talk about something. I need to get mine. That's crazy. Yup, I know who that is. That's hard. You gotta hold out your thumb.
What?
Need a ride.
Watching the car come.
For real. Hey, we trying to get in one of them drift cars right now. Do a little ride along. We literally just paid $20 for it, so I'm gonna get in one, bro. Hopefully I can get in Adam LC's drift car. Well, Adam about to go right now. We got the ticket. We got the ticket. So we gonna see. They said as long as they have a cage, and we're good. So I'm about to, I don't know. We're the only two people at this tent right now. We're supposed to be at this tent. And nobody's here. Look, there go Adam right over there. Green S15. My shit. Alright, going to the 350s. Watch it go. Oh, fuck. Hey, Fast Life family, pray for me. This man held hella angle when he was coming in.
Oh, that shit badass.
This thing sounds crazy. What you have done to it?
It's got a LS3, 6.2 liter V8.
Damn. How long you been drifting for?
Over 10 years, man. Yeah, I've been driving for over 10 years.
I want to start
Same car. Same
Yeah?
car. It started stock. I used to drive it to work every day.
Whoa, this car used to drive to work.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Crazy. I want to start drifting.
Hey, man, do it. It's awesome.
Yeah, Fast Life family. I don't even know you guys can hear me right now. that was an experience, bro. Oh my god. Bro, that was fun. Bro, that was fun. I'm not gonna lie, that was fun. That's hey man, that man went sideways, they held it sideways. Yo. No, that was a lit experience. That was a fun experience. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, hey, that was $20 well spent. $20 well spent, bro. I want a drift car now. Let me know in the comments down below if I should build a drift car. I'll do a 350Z. Madness Aguan. Right when I get over here, stop. Boom, fuck. That thing is different. That thing is different. I don't know if he's shooting flames now, but
That man shooting flames.
Fast Nine family. If you remember this car shoots some crazy flames. The Super shoots some crazy flames, bro. Gonna be like the yours. What shit? on fire! Yo, that was fire. I know, I got it too. Yo. Super just got on fire. Too crazy. That's a baby. That's what it's for.
Nigga, boy. That's the toy, for real. Look. He said, let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
They still going crazy in the background, but alright, Fast Life family, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like that, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Yeah, in the merch. Big rollout, so about to head out. If I see some cars, now I'm gonna film it. But other than that, it's gonna be at the end of this video. So, it's your boy Prince. Catch you guys in the next one. Alright.